Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are watching us. This is the Street Step. I want to show you something. This is just kind of fridge. This is LED fridge. Let me say, see here. This one is the normal fridge. Why here? Watch. Here now the freezer. If you use this kind of fridge and your fridge now, you discover see this pipe. Because here now even the freezer. This freezer now. You see now your 9 pipe. And if Ross done the attack and come and show now wetin go dey happen to am. You go dey see the paint. You see am. If Ross done the attack and you see am, you go come get leakage from here. So if your fridge get this kind of paint, come gas to take the pipe am. See am. Now show now. You see wetin Ross don do am. Because iron nine be this pipe. This pipe wey you dey see na iron. They just coat am with pipe. They just coat am with paint. So you dey see am. So now we want to repipe this fridge. So you see, we want to repipe am back. We'll show you all the process as we take do am.